이용해주셔서 감사합니다. 이 버스는 스팀바 프리미엄 아울렛입니다. 승객 여러분께 부탁 말씀드립니다. 차항에서는 금연입니다.
Dito na kami, Gotemba. Ayan, sige. Picturean. Sige, kita yung Fuji. Ayan, ang tropa. Start na shopping. Ayan na. Mahangin masyado. Sige. Sa coach. Meron ng Target. Babalikan na lang. Hanap muna ng e-coupon daw para sa discount. So punta muna kaming information. May information na center. Dito yun, dito. Okay, para ano sila? Ayun sila, malayo. Ayun, ikot doon. Talagang susuyurin natin lahat ng shops. Pandora naman. Okay. Ito Pandora. Okay, sige. Shopping, marami pang time.
Malamig lang yung hapon.
Picture pa dito sa bridge dahil kitang-kita ang Fuji. Ha? Aha. Ayan nga, peeps. May Sakura na, may Fuji pa. Sangka pa. Oh, you're taking pictures of you.
I got the egg like someone else.
Naglalaro ng cherry blossoms. Tapos na mag-picture. Ay. Pasok. sila ng food. Ito na kami. Oh, sumalampa ka dyan. You can sit there. Nahanap ko itong Pokemon store. Ito pala Pokemon store. Yes. Pikachu on Fuji. Let's go. May mga Switch games din sila. Hey.
Hey, taking a video?
Yep.
Hey, gotcha.
Cards.
Gotcha.
So, bibili tayo niyan. Cards. Yes, buka tayo niyan. Oh, mainit pa. Cute.
Cutie.
Init pa. Oh, lamig. Iris, come here. You're cold? You want a jacket? Ito ng view, Mount Fuji. Sasakay na naman ng carousel. Oh, ayan. Oh, background. Mount Fuji. Yes, carousel background, Mount Fuji. Sosyal.
Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Yes.
Oh, lakas ng hangin. Lamig. Tapos na.
Yay!
Tapos na, bilis lang. Ayan na makulit. Ayan na makulit. How was it? Good.
Okay.
Yep. Go up. Meron din ditong Under Armour.
Lego, oh.
And may Lego. Dito. Ah, there's a Sanrio. Yan, kanina pa niya hinahanap. There you go. Shoes agad unang nakita. Sukat, sukat.
Wait. Okay. This one first.
Pakita ng cinnamon roll. Dami dito. Cinnamon roll pajamas, slippers, my socks, shirt,
Daddy,
hat.
can you help me to put my shoe on?
Okay.
Can you help me?
Kuha ng kuha. What did you get?
Cinnamon rolls.
Socks. Ayan, basket.
Perfect. Mama, come. Cinnamon roll towel?
Yes. Is that on your list? Okay.
Okay, kuha.
Ito tapis, ito yung hoodie.
Hoodie. Yan tapis.
Maiksi lang yung hoodie.
Hoodie niya.
Yeah.
Ikaw. Ano? Cyrus, kami. Which one you want?
Do you want the hoodie or the wrap? This is the wrap.
I need the hoodie.
The hoodie is a bit small, huh?
Check it, kami.
You check it. See? That's the hoodie.
Oh, it's too small.
All of them are that size.
Okay, then I choose that.
The wrap.
Okay. Yun na lang, sige.
Okay. But this one is nice, no?
Hindi, yun na sa ilalim niya. Dalawa.
Sobra-sobra.
Look, that's the towel.
Only one left.
Oh, lucky last. That one.
Lucky last. This one is a hoodie. This one is bigger. Oh, it's not a hoodie. But it's
Not
a
a
big
hoodie.
towel.
I want that.
That one is okay, but this one is better.
I want that. I got so bad.
You like it?
Lucky last.
Yes, look at my shoes.
Yeah, I saw that.
We were looking for you everywhere.
I'm looking for cinnamon, right?
We're looking for you everywhere. Though.
I'm looking for cinnamon roll. There's
Do you miss
so
Nina?
many cinnamon rolls.
I want to come with you.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Gusto po, naglakad na. What are you looking at?
Why are those hearts for?
It's a keychain.
What are those hearts for?
It's a keychain.
Like they're dying.
No, sira ulo talaga na tayo. May angel wings. Look, oh. Cinnamon roll, so cute. Sitting on a cloud.
There's so many cute cinnamon rolls. Look, oh, another person.